Hello, this is Sharon Naraine coming to you from a beautiful sunshine state here in Florida with SharonNaraine.com. And what I would like to talk about today is, especially for those who are moms, well, more specifically, stay home moms, stay home dads, retirees, um, firefighters, teachers, yes, teachers, um, you know, entrepreneurs who are looking to find an extra stream of income. Also, retirees, as well as caregivers like myself. I am a full time caregiver, and even the college kids. Okay, furthermore, this what I will be talking to you about is for everybody as long as you're 18 years of age and over. Now, here's what I would like to share with those of you. I am not sure if you're looking to generate some extra income from the comfort of your home, or you're looking to make some extra money either part time or full time. It doesn't matter. So, my question is that are you sick of the same daily routine? 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Is anyone out there sick and tired of punching in to a clock or swiping your card? Or either you have a 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. job. Are you sick and tired of that? Are you someone who are counting down the days to the weekend? I mean, let's face it, they call it the Monday blues. I know what I'm talking about because you know why? I was there. I was there many years ago. Can't wait for the weekend. Oh my goodness, cannot wait. So you started working, you punch in, you swipe your card, you're at work, you check in at work, 9 o'clock, Monday morning, and you just wish, oh my gosh, how many more days before the weekend? How many more days for TGIF? Remember that, folks? TGIF. Thank God it is Friday. How many times we look forward for that? I was there. I know I was. You just got into work one day and you're already looking forward. You already start counting the days for Friday afternoon when you're gonna swipe your card out and say, hallelujah. I've been there, folks, done that. I know what I'm talking about. Now, do you wish you could just perform some magic, and take back all those time that you have to work for your boss to make your boss rich instead of you? Yes. Instead of making your employer who employ you, they're the one getting rich. And why I'm saying that is that many years ago, I was a national account representative for the corporate office of Staples. Staples corporate office, yes. And folks, I can't begin to tell you the amount of millions of dollars I have generated all across the USA from all these accounts, and I'm talking about business accounts that I have generated a vast amount of income. And who gets the money? For the Staples Corporation, for the business. Do you think I make $1 million in all the years I worked with them? No. I was on salary, and yes, of course, I was getting commission too. The commission wasn't that bad. It was good. I was making good money. Let's face it. Let me be very honest. The money was really good. But I feel to myself, since I am bringing in, millions of dollars, I should at least get paid, more than what I was getting. I should get be well compensated. But folks, it didn't happen. So I know what I'm talking about. So I'm talking to those of you who are working for your employer, you're slaving yourself away, and they're the one getting rich. Okay? Now, like as I said, do you wish you could just magic your time back to do what you want and when you want it? Folks, I remember vividly I was sick and I could not get time off to take care of myself, to go see a doctor. I have to let them know before they could think about it and give me some time before I could go see the doctor. The only way to see the doctor is in an emergency. Of course, the ambulance has to have to come and get you at your workplace and take you. I was to the point I had a flu. As a matter of fact, I took a flu shot. And what had happened, this flu shot, instead of me feeling well, I was sick for 2 weeks, but I could not get no time off. I have to go into work. Yes, back in those days, when you get the flu, nobody cares. It's not like now you have to put something over your face and you can be around people. Back in those days, people don't take it very serious. So you still mix and mingle and dwell among people, among my coworkers. So, folks, I just wish if I could get all those time back. Oh my goodness, you know. And my other question I would like to ask is that, do you want more time with your kids, with your family? Would you not like that? Oh my goodness, folks. Now, let me make this really brief. Right now, I am doing this video. Now it's like 11:10 p.m. and I am right now sitting down in the hospital room where my husband is. All right, so I am here with my husband. I'm sleeping in the hospital. You can see here, this my pocketbook, of course. This is my bed. Okay, I have to open this out. It's like a couch by day, and then at night you can pull it out and make it into a bed. See here, that's my recliner, and that's my baby, in bed sleeping. See that? I am here in the hospital. I am here. Okay. See that? I am here in the hospital. I am here, folks. And there you can see this is my laptop. I have the table that my husband eats from, so I took it, make it into a desk. Okay, so I am here. Back in those days, I could not have done that. I know many times, well, my parents used to be sick, and I wish if I could, stay in or do anything. I could not, but now I can. See that? I can now with my hobby. Um, so, folks, what I'm trying to say is that you need to take this seriously, okay? You need to take it seriously. You never know what the future holds, you never know what tomorrow holds. For those of you who have your 9 to 5 job, I am not knocking you down because you're on a job. But folks, let's face it, be sensitive. I mean, use your head, use your brain. You can still have your 9 to 5 or your 8 to 6 job, but do something on a part time and get paid full time. Let's put it that way. There's so many folks doing something on a part time basis and yet get paid like when you're on full time. So, folks with a home based business, there is an assurance that if something happens to your family, you can be there. Like my husband, what had happened is that he is not feeling well. He had the flu, and then from the flu, the flu did something to his kidney, so he had to be hospitalized and to get dialysis so his kidney can get well to start purify his blood. And I'm here. It's about a week. Yes, today's a week. I am with my husband in the hospital. So, folks, you don't know. I mean, I'm not saying this is going to happen to you, but it is good to make preparation. It is good. So, back to the analogy is that I share all of that just to say this to you. If you're happy on your job and you're doing well, that is fine. But, folks, you don't know when that company is going to close down, or you don't know when your job ended. You don't know. Okay, it happened to me. As a matter of fact, I started training people about what I was doing, and before you know it, those who I trained, they took over my position, and I was let go. After all the years, after everything I did, that was the payment. So, folks, I'm sharing this to let you know that it does not have to happen to you, God forbid. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but just be on the safe side. So here's the deal. I will put a link of a few of my business that I'm doing. And more so, folks, you don't have to be on the computer if you don't want to with this business. It's a direct mailing business that once you sign up, there are like different levels. Once you sign up, how much money you would like to pay to make, you can join at that level. And then, folks, it is so simple. So once you click on the link, you will see what I'm talking about. You put your name, email, you watch the little video. It's going to explain to you how this mailing program works. That once you sign up, you will receive your package. You will receive the addresses on a peel and stick form, the labels for you to put on the envelope, and also the information that you need to stuff the envelope with. All of that, folks, you will be getting your reseller rights so you can be able to do that. And it is simple, folks. Get your family, get your kids involved. How hard is it to take a flyer, fold it up, and put it in an envelope? You put a stamp on it and you mail it out. Folks, you don't have to chase after people with this business. Once you sign up, you will be able to get the leads. Okay? Watch my video and you will see what I'm talking about. I will put the link and you are going to see what I'm talking about. So, folks, my name is Sharon Naraine, and you can go to my website as well. I do have, and that website, which is fastcashwithsharon.com, and that's FASTCASHSHARON.com. Fast Cash with, oh, I left for the with Sharon.com. Also, you can go to my other mailing program, which is createwealthwithsharon.com. As well as you can, I'm very transparent. You can reach out to me. I live here in the Sunshine State in Florida, Claremont to be precise, not far from the House of the Mouse Disney World. You can reach me at 352 805 9846. Folks, it's 352-805-9846. The best thing to do is to text me and explain, says Sharon. I had watched your video and I am interested about this mailing club program you're talking about, and I need to talk with you. Folks, I'm willing, ready, and able. Even though, look at this, even though I'm in the hospital here with my husband, I am still, I have the laptop, right? And I'm still be able to do videos so that I get a lot of sign up people like you who will sign up, and that's how I make commission. Folks, a commission is good. You have to watch the pay plan of all of this as well too. You can make anywhere from $65 all the way up to $2,000. Yes, folks, seriously, up to $2,000. Okay, so we do have training. We also have the support. We have a beautiful Facebook group that once you sign up, I will put you in that group. You will be able to interact with other entrepreneurs like yourself or other business owners like yourself. You will make friends, you will develop friendship, you can be able to ask any question, you can be able to as well to um, to develop that friendship, and you can be able to know and learn more about the business, about the kind of money, and this money from $65 all the way to $2,000, folks. It is unlimited, which means it is multiple times you can make that. So but once you join at whatever level is convenient, there's always a level that's gonna meet every pocketbook. So how much it all depends how much money you want to make. That's where you're gonna join, and then you're gonna be able to get all the information. But folks, here's the deal. Just reach out to me, 352-805-9846. And as well as I would love for you to hit the bell. Just click the bell, right? And that bell will notify you when I do a video, as well as hit the subscribe button so you can be able to subscribe to my channel. Okay, again, my name is Sharon Naraine, and folks, let me tell you, I understand. I've been there, done that. I know what I'm talking about. So do not sit on the fence on this. This is very legitimate. You will see once you come into the Facebook group. As a matter of fact, I met with the owner for this company. Okay, I had dinner many times. I, was at the owner's house. Beautiful, serious-minded, loving person. So, folks, this is legit. Make no mistake about it. Again, my name is Sharon Naraine, and I will be looking forward to talk with you. I'll be looking forward for you. You can even reply me and reach out to me on my Facebook. Reach out to me right here in YouTube. You can reply, ask any question. Let me know, folks, where I can be able to help you. That's my mission. That's my plan. That's my goal. I would love to see people making money. Love people to do what they're doing. And yet, at the same token, be a blessing to your family. Be a blessing to your kids, your husband, and your wife, or your loved ones. Okay? Again, Sharon Naraine. Take care with SharonNaraine.com. Bye for now.